about a dream, turn it to reality. Double cup of rain. Let me get a one-way ticket. I haven't picked a destination. I'm just trying to catch a train before it has to leave the station. Packing no bags, nothing but the clothes on my back with a cognac. Let me sip it, trying to relax. Red wine up in my glass, plus filet mignon. I got an army right up under me. I'm Genghis Khan. Yeah, it's me against the world. I guess I'll take them on. I might stop and see my girl, but I ain't staying long. What if I'm gone? What the fuck you gon' think then? I told my story, put my life inside this ink pen. Said I'll make a big win. Everybody know me, well, I made a big end. Everybody phony, so could you pull me? I need a cup, no, not of that liquor mixing purple stuff. I could talk my pain, but would it hurt too much? Go ahead, judge me. Hey, costs money, but this love
they just dreams, turn them to reality. Double cup of lean, standing on my balcony, looking at the sky, thinking it could all be mine. All we got is memories, so what the fuck is time? They just dreams, turn them to reality. Double cup of lean, standing on my balcony, looking at the street, thinking it could all be mine. All we got is memories, so what the fuck is time? What the fuck is time? Asking what the fuck is time? I don't know. What the fuck is time? I'm asking what the fuck is time?
It's all about time, ain't no reason to rush. Man, it's all about problems, ain't no reason to fuss. Cause I'm the king of this shit, now don't treason with us. But if you come against us, you cannot reason with us. See, I used to be there, scared and unaware. And were my friends even there? When I had nowhere to turn, when I crashed and I burned. And now I've laughed and I learned, it's hard to be heard. And this is my return, man, I'm not backing down. This is my city, this is my town, my life and my crown. I've been hurt, I've been down, and on them drugs I came around. And all these haters come around like what now? But times are now, and since I ain't strung out, I had to go and get a plane and take this game until your bitch scream my name. I take your pain away every day. D-Rock fucking baby, that's the motherfucking name. Hey.
Yeah, this girl said I like chocolate dick. Huh?